Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Today I am going to talk about why speaking English is important. English is an international language. It is spoken and understood in many countries of the world. When we learn to speak English, we can communicate with people from different countries. It helps us to share our ideas, thoughts and feelings easily. First of all, English is very important for education. Most books, research papers, and online classes are available in English. We can gain more knowledge and learn new things easily. Many universities also prefer students who can speak English confidently. Secondly, English is important for job and career. In modern world, many companies require English speaking employee. If we know English, we have more job opportunities. We can work in multinational companies, call centers, or even start online work. English increase our confidence in interview and professional meeting. Thirdly, English help us in traveling. When we travel to other countries, English became very useful at airports, hotels, and tourist place. English is commonly used, so it makes traveling easier and more comfortable. Moreover, English improve our confidence and personality. When we speak English fluently, we feel more confident. We can participate in discussion, give presentation, and express ourselves clearly. It also helps us in social media and online communication. In addition, most technology, mobile apps, and websites are in English. Understanding English helps us modern technology more effectively. In conclusion, speaking English is not just a skill, it is a necessity in today's world. It opens doors of education, career, and success. So we should try our best to learn and practice English every day. Inshallah Ta'ala.